Hey everybody, this is James from Now YOUKNOW. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use beast mode calculations to group data into buckets. So I've imported some running data from my Strava account, and you can see I ran also different distances over a number of years, but it's a bit of an overload in the series. So what I want to do is bucket these distances so that it's easy to analyze. So what we need to do is go to add calculated field, and then I'm going to give it a name, kilometers buckets. And then I'm going to use a case statement. And this case statement, it's a very easy way to bucket data. So this is going to group the kilometers in increments of 5 kilometers. So what we're going to do is we use a case when, and then look the kilometers over here and say where is equal to 5, and just say north to 5 kilometers. So that's going to bucket any distance between north and 5 in that bucket, and we'll repeat the same thing for the rest of the distances. So you obviously you can change your numbering for whatever increments you'd want to put in there. I'm going to just go up until 40. And I already copied both. Just going to put it over here. And then make sure the syntax is correct. There you go, looks pretty now. So you can see each of these buckets are now splitting up the distances into these 5, as it gets bigger, 10 kilometer increments. Anything that's over 40 kilometers will go underneath this else statement. So you see this is the completed case statement, and anything over 40 kilometers will go into this bucket. So once you're done, we say validate, and then create the field, save it, and close it. So now, here's my beast mode over here that I created. I'm going to drag it into the series. You can see now we've got nice little buckets over here to do that. Another way to do that is to filter it. I'm just going to look at the first 0 to 30 kilometers as a bucket. I'm going to change my graphs to look at it per month. You can see it's looking a bit better now. What I also want to look at is the previous year. And now we can see July was my busiest month. I did a bunch of 0 to 5 kilometers, 10 to 15, and then over 20. So there was quite a few. And August as well was quite busy. So that was a very easy way of doing that, which would have taken a lot longer in Excel. And this is how I use beast mode, bucket data, and case statements are very powerful in its way. You can quickly and easily categorize group buckets or flag records in your data for filtering and grouping decisions. And Domo is a very good tool to implement that. And that's how you use beast mode calculations to group data into buckets.